I was tired. The environment was toxic for me. It was decided to quit. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and this is You Can Be Productive. Today I was talking about how one time I quit my job. Yes. In one of my videos I talk about how I came to Ibadan from where I was living in Ondo State in search of green pasture, and I had to do an interview that I wasn't taken. Then after that year, I got a job, a teaching job. Backstory: I studied chemistry in the university, industrial chemistry. Yes, University of Benin to be precise, and I decided to go to this school because I wasn't getting jobs at manufacturing industries where I was supposed to work based on my education. I decided to teach in this secondary school. I was teaching chemistry and basic science. I started in April and I think I left there in September. So short. And that's why I'm bringing this video. It's going to be an entertaining video and also educating. Just take a cup of tea or popcorn or anything that you can be munching as you watch this video. When I started at this school, it was going well. The teachers there were kind people. They were good people, yeah, right? I started working in this school and it was going well. Things started getting wrong when uh, a day came and the proprietor of a school or the owner of a school, he called me and was like, auntie, because they call female teachers auntie. Auntie, I can't see your work. And I'm like, eh? Wait, in my head there. I don't, it was like, I don't see your work. You don't see my work. I do lessons after school hours. I come early in the morning to take the students, and you're telling me I don't see my work. Is it until I walk with my head on the ground, my legs in the air before you see that you can see my work, you can see what I do? But I continued my work. I was doing my due diligence. That's what is expected of me. I'm being paid for what I do, so I do my best. I help the students. I explain. It got to a point where I noticed that the owner of the school will have students, agents among the students to keep tabs on the teachers. You can't rest in the staff room. You cannot do this. You cannot do that. I'm like, what's going on? Maybe we came to work. Why are you monitoring us? I was like, wow. I didn't get it because this was like my first employment after the first, I would say, official employment after NYC. Because even during NYC, I taught in the school at Benue State. Story for another day. Like, what's occurring? Well, I still continued taking my classes, helping the student, I solving problems for them, helping them prepare for work. Because the year I got to that school was the year for work, and the students in SS3 were preparing for work. The students in SS3 basically were preparing for work and NECO, so and JAM too. So I was just there helping them to revise, teaching them, helping them solve problems that need solutions, right? So then I got to realize that the owner of the school also have mole amongst the teachers in the staff room. What did we carry? What did we throw? What did we do? Shebi is what we came to work. Why are we being monitored? Did we do something? The school was toxic. The environment was toxic. But I really enjoyed my time whenever I go to class with the students because I was helping them and I was happy that I was able to help them because I know what it feels like not to have a good teacher in some particular subject. And the truth is, before I came to that school, they've not had chemistry teacher for a long time. I was filling the shoe with high expectations, and I was doing my best. Haha, I was doing my best, right? But clearly, my best wasn't enough for the owner of the school. The last straw that broke the camel's back was when we did summer lesson. That was in August. We did summer lesson all through August. Then we were supposed to be paid 1st of September. 2nd of September. This man didn't pay us, and he didn't have any tangible reason why he didn't pay our salary. He didn't apologize. He didn't send us a text message for the delay or apologizing for the delay. And that August, after the summer lesson, I wanted to travel home, right before the new session. Before the school will resume the new session, and I didn't have any money to travel home because this man refused to pay us salary at the right time, and there was no explanation for it, no apologies, nothing. Frustrated, like, what the heck? Is it not better to just be at home and know that, okay, you are jobless and you're not expecting salary from anybody? And I have worked the full month, and you did not deem it fit to say, "Oh, I am sorry, oh, the system did not pay money. That's why there's no money to pay you guys." But no, there was nothing like that. And I am not going to resume with with the school for the new session. That will be like in September. So I think 15th of September. I was like, I'm not going to resume with this school. No matter what happens, I would rather be jobless, sitting at home, than to work for this man again. It was that bad. And I decided to drop my resignation letter. Like, see me now, I was a very good employee. Like, cause who cares? Some other people will just leave without dropping a resignation letter. But I decided to drop the resignation letter. I said, like this, to do it the normal way, the official way. So I dropped my letter. I actually waited. I waited till the end of the term where my students will have written their WAEC exam, like their chemistry in WAEC, because I wanted to be sure they were doing well. I left no stone unturned for them in their examination, and I did. And when they did their exams, they had done chemistry theory and practical. That was when I dropped my resignation letter. And the mom was like, auntie, how will you clinical? I didn't say anything. And I dropped my letter, and see, so many drama happened afterwards, but I dropped my letter and I left. And the beauty of what happened, the beauty in it was that, I already said I prefer to just be at home and doing nothing than to work for that school. To be sincere with you, I had no other alternative of what to do before dropping that letter. But I was just done with that nonsense at the school. So there, I think it was the third day or the next day that I dropped the letter, that I was just at home in my room, in my one room apartment, soaking Gary. I just got a call that, hello Emily, this is, it was just like from an interview I had done a year ago when I first came to Ibadan, and the employer was calling to ask if I was available, if I was still available for the role. And I was like, what? Ha, God, is this you? God, this is you, God. Oh my God. And I was like, oh, yes, of course, I'm available. And I'm available. I went for the interview again. Sorry, it wasn't an interview again because I'd done an interview like a year ago to just like meet and greet. But that was it, guys. That was it. Like, I hope you found this video. There's so many lessons in this video. Know what you want. Don't see, prioritize your mental health above any other thing. Yeah, of course, the money I was getting from that school was okay, at least for someone who was out of home, who was in a strange land, but I just came to that place where I decided to, I'd rather stay at home than to remain in that place, in that work environment that is toxic, that the employer does not value the employees and all. And I'm glad I took that step by leaving, and see what happened. Even within a day, or I think within 2 days, I got a new job, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.